Beer Master. Today we have a 19 Acura MDX. I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out to change a bulb or remove it, whatever. First thing you want to do is open the tailgate. This is a damaged vehicle, and we already got the one out, so I'm going to show you. There's a slide here that's broken that holds it on the side. This is for the right side, and some bolts. So to access those bolts, we want to pull this panel out. It's clipped in real light. Comes out pretty easy. Take your time. Alright, so that's out. Now we're going to get a drill driver or a Phillips head screwdriver and spin them out. That looks like an 8mm. And once they're out, we're going to try to wiggle it out. But it needs to slide back. We push it back. I'm going to note on the inside there's no access panel to change the bulb, so you have to take it out. Alright, so I chose to use a Phillips. You don't want to lose them. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is try to wiggle it. Since we have the bumper off, I can grab underneath. What you want to do is put one hand here and then hit it this way like that. So I'm doing this with one hand. Let's see if we can do this. Alright, see, I kept hitting it. Not too hard, and it got loose. And it came out. And there you go. So that means you don't have to take the bumper cover off. And to change the bulbs, you just basically spin them out. You have a disconnect here for the harness and the bulbs here. Spin them out like Christmas lights. Alright, so to get the bulb out, you just basically pull it. Each bulb has a number on it. If you can't read it, you can go to your local supply house, bring the bulb, or you can tell them what model and year it's for, if it's for the turn signal, or it's just for the driving lights. They'll know which one that it is. If you want to disconnect the assembly, there's a connection here. I think you push in here and then you pull out. Push that piece. Pull out. There you go. So you can replace it the same way, just do it in reverse order. And that's how it's done. Joe, Beer Master, the Car Master, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.